Hello guys, this is Peggy. Today we're taking you to meet top 5 champion barista and coffee roaster. Are you also one of those people who need at least a cup of coffee a day? I'm not gonna lie, but I've already lost count of how many cups of coffee that I drink each day. We'll be visiting all these award-winning barista by chronological order starting from 2004. Now, without further ado, let's go. Number 2, Simple Kaffa. The owner, Berg Wu, was the champion of the World Barista Championship in 2016, which is the highest honor among barista around the world. Each year, over 60 competitors would join this competition, and many coffee beans producing countries would even sponsor those who represent their country in order to get more exposure, also to help the development of coffee industry. So I'm wondering, where do you see 新坡？
新坡咖啡的话，我对它的定义是好吃、好喝、简单的呈现。那听起来蛮简单的，但是在背后的努力需要做非常的多，你才有办法让消费者喝到的时候是觉得我只要自然的去享用，然后就有很棒的体验。像我们平常给客人的都是这样单包装的豆子，为什么要这样做？是因为我们想把这么贵的豆子保持在最好的状态，所以我们会熟成好之后呢，就分装，然后充填氮气进去，然后把它冷冻起来，所以每一次拿出来，它就会保持在那个最好的状态。那今天选的另外一支豆子呢，是来自瓜地马拉，一样是竞标的豆子。那在这家店里面，我们很多制作的手法都跟我们在比赛的时候用的是同一套的手法。比如说，我现在在搅拌的就是让整个在滤杯里面的粉啊变得更平均、更均匀。那在萃取的时候才会是有最好的效果。所以包括在萃取的时候，我们一定也是用电子秤去好好的计算我们萃出来的咖啡的量。那这样子才能最精准的去呈现我们要的味道。在拉花，我们也是会在客人面前去好好的做呈现。那这边我也让你喝喝看，我们使用的牛奶跟一般也不太一样。我们把牛奶做过浓缩，让它的香气还有甜感更强。那制作的方式是用实验室的器材，叫做减压浓缩机。我们可以想象，在爬高山的时候煮热水，可能不到100度它就会沸腾了，其实就是一样的原理。
Today we're so lucky to get to visit Simple Kaffa's reserved branch, the Coffee One. Not only do we get to try the very flavorful coffee, but also to know a lot about how they extract the milk for their coffee. For me, it's not just a coffee tasting anymore, but more of a fine dining for coffee.